This epic.
All right, so we got some amazing light, and we're both breathing heavy, and we were racing up and down the road.
Up and down.
We were acting like lunatics. I'm dropping my camera.
There's a reason because of that. That's why we're acting like
incredible,
lunatics.
man.
This is the whole reason we're put on Earth.
Trying to shoot something through. Hey, what's up? Road trip.
Chimney Rock, Nebraska. Here we come.
Watch out.
Brady, Nebraska.
Brady, Nebraska.
Let's get a couple shots of this these gas pumps.
Population 436 souls.
Is that what it is?
436.
Kurt and I are on the hunt for some cows. It's got to be a very picturesque spot. Some cows, some trees, a little bit of sky, and we're gonna stitch them.
Imagine you're talking to a client who wants cows for a packing facility. They haven't given me anything other than it has to be 90 feet and it has to be cows. Does it need to have blue sky? Does it need to have a fence in it? What color cows do we have to have? What sort of sky? You know, just trying to figure out what somebody else is thinking. That's where the secret of photography
There you go.
lies.
We got to go drive up and down dirt roads. We're in Maxwell, Nebraska right now, right? Maxwell?
Maxwell
Town of-
Silver Hammer.
215. We see some cows now.
Ooh. What do you think?
Everybody ready?
We had the first real stop of the day. We got a couple cows, and we got this old homestead.
We got kind of these canyons. The trees are budding out. We got a lot. This is a gift.
It's a beautiful land.
Rugged. No rattlesnakes though. Still a little too chilly maybe.
We're around 30 minutes away from Chimney Rock, and the clouds are looking kind of cool. So we think the clouds might disperse and give us some really amazing light.
We're gonna do some Moses. We're gonna part the Red Sea with these clouds.
That's what
Wait
Kurt's
for
good
the
at.
Sunshine in.
He calls in a favor.
We're asking for a big gift on this one. Chimney Rock, finally, our destination. There, rock. These clouds are just, look at this. That's just crazy cool.
Kurt and I are just kind of getting crazy and shooting everything. Kurt's down there shooting with the 16 millimeter. I've got a 20 millimeter. I've got the Fuji X100. I've got my, what do I got? XT4 over there. I even have an Olympus with an 800 millimeter equivalent. We got all kinds of stuff. I'm a little more out of control than Kurt though. Kurt knows what he's doing more. So, but this is pretty awesome.
Now it's just a matter of, is it gonna...
Chimney Rock has a little graveyard here, the cemetery. During the westward migration through this pass, many died as they looked for a better life. What's the
Oh man, here's a little 3-year-old baby here. Little 3-year-old boy. Born March 10th, 1912. Died something January 1915. Oh man, that's sad.
What's the oldest grave?
Look at that, man. It's happening. It's happening.
The light is awesome. The clouds are cool. The light's not awesome though. The light's okay, but
It's good, but if there is a God, there will be light coming from the westernly direction, bouncing off these clouds that are gray and rather molten and leaden to become these beautiful orange piles of lusciousness to make the ultimate Chimney Rock picture.
Kurt needs to write a book.
That was the intro.
We're hearing a bunch of coyotes.
Howling again. I'm gonna run some video.
Some coyotes,
Look at the light.
and some of the light's getting kind of cool.
Yeah,
It's looking like there might be some colors down below.
it's like the wild, wild west. I think this might be my shot here. Run it with him. Whoa.
We have like 7 minutes left before sundown.
But then about 10 minutes after sundown, that's when it really gets rocking, usually. All right, here we go. We shouldn't chase, but we're gonna do it anyway. Although, look at here, man. I don't know.
We're chasing the light.
Get the sun right behind it.
What are we doing, Kurt?
We're racing to get the shot. The light is just perfect right now, and perfect color, perfect everything, and we are racing. Unfortunately, we don't have very far to go.
Holy sh-
I was telling you about when I said, oh man, all I need is this. I just need a road right here.
We're chasing one more spot.
One more spot. All right. Yep.
All right, gun it. Get out right here.
I think, let's see, right there. Yep. Let's get out. Let's give it a shot. That's the cover of the Nebraska license plate right there. This epic.
All right, so we got some amazing light, and we're both breathing heavy, and we were racing up and down the road.
Up and down.
We were acting like lunatics. I'm dropping my camera.
There's a reason because of that. That's why we're acting
that's
like
incredible,
lunatics.
man.
This is the whole reason we're put on Earth.
Dude, rock on, brother.
Right on, man. Cool.
Kurt and I are getting to the hotel. We got some amazing shots, we think, but we were just talking about. Oh, sorry. We were just talking about how much we panicked a little bit, and we were going too fast, and you know, it was part of the fun of the moment. But we think we still got some great stuff. What do you think, Kurt?
We're praying to the gods of the beautiful sunsets that we did indeed stumble into some beautiful imagery. But we have paid our penance.
All right, so we're about to head into take a night's sleep before sunrise. Morning time. All right, Kurt, morning time, where are we going?
I think we're heading east, maybe south and east. I'm not sure. We're looking for anything that just absolutely has to be photographed.
We just had breakfast, so we are fueled up.
We have coffee. We're good. Wow. This is cool.
All right, Kurt, what are you working on? What are you doing there?
Well, you know, I like, I'm sort of not quite like everybody else when it comes to like landscapes. I like using a 100 to 400. And so there's this really cool yucca plant going on here, and you got the whole ridge and all that stuff. The light's perfect. I don't know, I just thought it was kind of neat to focus on this, but still have that in the background. And I'm not one of those guys that has to be Ansel Adams where, you know, F64 where everything's in focus. I like a little bit of ambiguity sometimes. So that's what that's all about.
Kurt, what do you think? You got it?
Think so. I think
Got some good stuff, man.
I got like 360 all around.
You got out the whole thing? 360?
Got everything, man.
Nice.
Nothing left to shoot out here. It's been done. That's beautiful. The light is perfect today.
All right, we just did Scottsbluff National Monument, and now we're looking at the map to figure out where to go next, because Kurt is old school.
Figure out where we are.
Forget Google Maps.
No, man, this is for real, man.
That's freaking Alabama. That's Montana. What are you doing?
And I guess I got to keep going the other way. I only got half of Nebraska. The hell?
All right, that's where we're at.
We think.
And then
if we want to go down to,
we need to go all the way back.
Here's Minotaur.
Right somewhere, not
right there.
right there.
Yeah, we got to go from there to there.
Okay. Taking some photos, trying to find, where are we trying to find? Jailhouse?
Jailhouse, courthouse.
Jailhouse and courthouse, can't find them. We think we know where they are, but we found some antelope and just some random awesome beauty.
Some rugged western Nebraska.
Kurt ran out of memory though, he's switching his cards.
Yeah, I'm just going easy today, just 128 gigs, you know. Man, I'm golden.
We're at Williams Gap, a wildlife management area. We had no idea that this place existed, and it looks gorgeous. We are just shooting like crazy, just burning through memory cards. It's awesome. super excited to see the photos that we just took, because this was a little bit of a magical area that we'd never seen before, never really thought we'd find.
Kind of little hidden treasure. We're not telling where it's at. Only we know.
It's not Nebraska. Kurt and I are back at Chimney Rock to get some shots in the light, and then we will definitely, for real, be heading back home.
We mean it this time. Looks like there's a little bit of a trail up there. I would guess you probably are not supposed to.
We're heading home, and then we're gonna stop at a couple small towns and get some cool shots on the way.
Small towns, where it's at. Leaving God's country.
How'd we do?
We killed it.